Today we will learn about our next topic of the introduction to the data model. We will see how the Salesforce stores the data and deal with the data. If you are not familiar with the database, take a look on the Excel spreadsheet. In this Excel spreadsheet, the data has been stored in the form of table which consists of the columns and the rows. In Salesforce, the database tables are set up in a similar way. So what is the definition of the data model in the Salesforce? It is a collection of objects and fields in an app as per the business requirement. What is an app? It is a set of objects, fields and other functionality that support a business process. You can see and access which app you are using and switch between the app using the app launcher. If we jump back to our Salesforce organization, the small icon represents the app launcher. By using the app launcher, we can access and we can see all the apps, connected apps, objects and other functionality which is available in the Salesforce. We can toggle between the different apps by using the app launcher. Let us jump to the Sales app. In the Sales app, on the top of the navigation bar, we can see the different standard objects which are predefined by the Salesforce. So what are the objects in the Salesforce? Objects are the tables in the Salesforce database that stores a particular kind of information. There are standard objects like leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunity. Custom objects you can create as per your own business requirement. Records. These are rows in the object database tables. Records are the actual data associated with an object. Fields. These are columns in an object database table. Both standard and custom objects have the fields. Now, if we compare this a sample of Excel spreadsheet to the Salesforce, the object represent the whole database table of the Excel spreadsheet. The columns represent as a field in the Salesforce and the rows which represent the individual record in the Salesforce. If we go back to the Salesforce, here we can see in the Sales app this set of standard objects supplied by the Salesforce. We can create our own custom objects as per the business requirement. Let us take a look on the account object. If we select the all account screen, now in the screen we can compare the data with the Excel spreadsheet. The account object stores all the information about all accounts and the customer and their individual detail. So here we can see the list of accounts or the list of customers has been stored in the account object, and the rows which shows the individual record of the accounts. If we click on the one of the record, if we go to the detail, here we can see the different fields that stores the different information for the individual record. For example, billing address, phone number, fax number, the website. These fields represents as the columns in the spreadsheet. In this way, Salesforce stores all the data in the form of apps, objects, and the fields. Thank you for watching, and keep learning. Stay tuned and please subscribe. Thank you.